Hey, Team Janet. I am now recording on my it's not new, well, my Osmo camera. And it is fantastic, but I'm still getting familiar with all the settings. So if my voice lag a little bit, just give me time to get used to it and work it. I've had it for a while, but it was kind of intimidating. And you know, when you get over 60 and you learn all these complicated new things and nobody's paying you to learn them, it's like you got to get motivated to learn them. But I love the way the camera is right now. So from now on, you'll see me in is it full view or full camera, or anyway, it'll take up the whole screen. So I'm excited about it. Also, I want to show you some footage with this. This is my DJI mini drone, and I work this using my cell phone. I have the joystick on my cell phone. So I'm going to show you some footage using this. I went outside today earlier, and I definitely want to show you the footage. I did a little snippet on my last video. Yeah, you guys will like this. So if you're looking for some kind of drone to give your little grandperson, your little grandbaby, or for yourself, this is perfect. This is a perfect beginner drone. And it's got a lot of settings on it, but you'll get used to it. I've had this and my Osmo camera, my DJI camera. I want to say DJI, but I've had them both for a while. I had them when I was in Florida. I got them to prepare for my stay here and for my traveling experience anyway. But they were just sitting in the corner collecting dust. And I said to myself, to keep my mind sharp, to keep me sharp, I better learn new things. I'm learning AI, and I'm learning all these new camera little techniques. So yeah, I'm excited, and I gotta stay current. Every senior diva has to stay current. So watch the footage of me using this drone.